Studying abroad doesn't have to mean leaving your family behind. These 5 countries, Germany, Australia, Canada, Finland, and New Zealand, have opened doors for international students to build their futures without sacrificing their personal lives or families. Studying abroad can be one of the most life-changing decisions you will ever make. New country, new culture, global education, and endless career opportunities. Well, that we all know. But let's be real, for students who are married or have children, it's not just your life that's changing. Leaving your loved ones behind even for a few years can feel like too much. The emotional weight, the responsibility, the constant worry. It's often enough to make students give up on their idea altogether. So, what to do? Now, while young and single students may find the separation more manageable, those with families often face a tougher choice. But here's the good news. Many countries actually understand this struggle. They have created visa pathways that allow you to bring your spouse and children along while you pursue your higher education abroad. Not only can they live with you abroad, but in many cases your spouse can work full time and your children can go to schools like local students. So if you are dreaming of studying abroad without pressing pause on your family life, here are 5 countries that make it even possible. Let's dive in. Number 1 is Germany. Germany is known for world-class education, affordability, and great work-life balance. But what many don't know is it's also very supportive of families. Through Germany's family reunion visa, international students enrolled in programs of at least 1 year can bring their spouse and children along with them. Now, there are some requirements. Number 1, you must show proof of sufficient funds and accommodation. Provide a valid marriage certificate. Thirdly, and your spouse should be over 18 and have basic German language skills, A1 level. Once approved, your spouse is allowed to work full time there. Add that to Germany's excellent healthcare, public transport, and safety, and you have got an amazing environment to raise a family while studying. Hopping on number 2, Australia. Australia offers one of the most flexible dependent visa options for international students. Whether you are applying with your dependents from the beginning or inviting them after your course has started, you can do both. Through the student visa subclass 500, you can include your spouse and unmarried children under 18. You will need to provide proof of relationship like marriage and birth certificates, evidence of sufficient funds, healthcare, and school enrollment documents if you are bringing children too. And here's the great part, dependents can work. If you are doing an undergraduate program, your spouse can work up to 48 hours per fortnight. But if you are pursuing a postgraduate degree, your spouse can work without any limitation. Isn't that great? Well, that's huge, not only for supporting the family financially, but also for gaining local work experience. Coming to number 3, Canada. Canada is one of the most popular destinations for international students and also one of the most family friendly. The country offers both spousal open work permits and dependent child visas to allow your family to join you. The eligibility criteria includes a valid student permit, a marriage certificate showing at least 1 year of marriage, and proof of relationship and funds, and in some cases a language proficiency test for your spouse. Spouses are issued an open work permit allowing them to work full time in any field. Children can be enrolled in public schools without additional barriers. And here's a major plus. Canada's immigration plan for 2024-2026 places heavy emphasis on family reunification, which means the system is designed to support families staying together. Coming to number 4, Finland. Now, Finland may not be the first country that comes to mind, but it should be. Regularly ranked as the happiest country in the world, Finland is not only safe and stable, but also incredibly supportive of international student families. While studying there, your spouse and children can apply for residence permits through the PK1 Plus application process. The requirements include valid passports, marriage or birth certificates, proof of finances, and housing arrangements. And yes, your spouses are allowed to work full-time. So whether you are exploring the Northern Lights or attending lectures in a top-tier Finnish university, your family can be right there with you. Now last but not the least, New Zealand. Finally, let's talk about New Zealand because this country offers an amazing mix of high quality education, welcoming communities, and stunning natural beauty all together. But beyond that, it truly values family. If you are studying in New Zealand, your spouse and children, even up to 24 years of age, can join you under several visa streams, including the partner of a student and skilled migrant categories. Some big benefits are children can attend public schools as domestic students, meaning no tuition fees. If your spouse is staying for more than 6 months, they can apply for an open work visa and work in any industry, even start a business if they want. It's a perfect setup for students who want to study in a supportive, family-oriented environment. So what's the takeaway? Studying abroad doesn't have to mean leaving your family behind. These 5 countries, Germany, Australia, Canada, Finland, and New Zealand, have opened doors for international students to build their futures without sacrificing their personal lives or families. Whether it's Germany's full-time work rights for spouses, Canada's open permits, or New Zealand's domestic student benefits for children, there are real powerful options out there for everyone. At Grad Out, we specialize in helping students not just get admission and visas but plan their entire journey with family included, from selecting the right country and course to guiding you through the dependent visa process to finding the most affordable and reliable funding options. We are with you every step of the way. So if you are serious about studying abroad and want your loved ones to be by your side, reach out to us today. Let's build a future where your goals and your family can grow together. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Grad Out for more real insights on studying abroad.